Starting, growing, and franchising one's own retail business is possible in a variety of ways, regardless of whether the business is conducted online or offline. Welcome to our e-commerce know-how channel, and in this video, we will see all about e-commerce franchising. Every day, a growing number of would-be business owners embark on the journey of launching an online store, which is becoming increasingly popular. As a result of platforms such as Shopify and the numerous third-party integrations that can be used to facilitate this expansion, it is now easier than ever to expand, and it has opened up numerous opportunities in areas where there previously were none. Retail franchising and e-commerce. What determines whether or not you should franchise your retail or e-commerce brand is largely dependent on where you are in the process of growth and development. After all, no one is going to be interested in e-commerce franchising for a new company or brand that hasn't already proven itself to be profitable and strong in the marketplace. Many people enter the e-commerce industry with the hope of one day franchising their brand to other people. However, this is a long-term goal that does not come easily and is not something that most people achieve. Even with that being said, it is entirely possible. Creating a single online store based on your brand products and trademark, and then allowing others to franchise out your brand and operate as a seller of your products and services, is the act of franchising your brand to other people. The franchisee, that is, the other person who will be selling your product or services, will pay you a fee in order for them to be able to do so. Is e-commerce franchising difficult? That is highly dependent on the type of business you are running and the industry in which you operate. The challenges, rules, skill requirements, and expectations that go along with starting a franchise are different from those that go along with starting a regular e-commerce store. Although it is technically possible to launch an e-commerce franchise as a franchise, it is always a better idea to first establish yourself as a leader in your industry before taking this step. It's also a good idea to weigh the advantages and disadvantages of exploring the possibility of franchising for your e-commerce business. The benefits and drawbacks of e-commerce franchising. If starting a business is difficult, attempting to franchise a business is even more difficult. Many factors must be taken into consideration, ranging from securing financial investment to sourcing products and hiring employees to developing and implementing a business plan for your potential franchise. Following are some of the advantages of owning and operating a franchised e-commerce business. Number 1. Much faster growth potential. E-commerce franchising provides the opportunity for more rapid growth than other business models. It doesn't matter how many people are interested in your company and want to start their own franchises. Every additional point of sale is a point of profit for you. Because your company and franchise already has a business model in place, people who are looking to start a business frequently turn to franchises for assistance. Number 2. Training and development. Because you already have a business, and more than likely a team of employees in place, you have already gone through the vetting, hiring, and training processes, which makes it much easier for you and any potential franchisees to move forward. This means that they will be able to get started right away and contribute to your profits. Number 3. Your brand recognition will improve. If you have more points of sale for your product or service, more people will see it and become familiar with it, which will result in increased brand recognition for your company. While all of this sounds great, there are some disadvantages as well. Number 1. Franchising removes some control from you. You can't be in two places at the same time, and by franchising your business, you are putting a great deal of trust in the hands of your franchisees to follow your rules and regulations as strictly as possible. In practice, however, this is not always the case. Number 2. It can have a negative impact on reputation. The preceding point about control is, of course, connected to this point. You must be extremely selective in selecting franchisees, and you must ensure that anyone who represents your company is capable of upholding your standards and expectations. Taking on franchisees is a big responsibility. It only takes one misstep on the part of a franchisee to tarnish a company's reputation. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What do you think about e-commerce franchising? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.